Dear students, till now we have studied about present tense in active passive voice, and now today we will study about past indefinite tense in active passive voice. In passive voice, was, were plus third form of the verb are used. Was with I, he, she and with singular noun, and were with we, you, they and with plural noun. Now see what are the formulas. In active voice, if a sentence is assertive, then the second form of the verb is used, and when you convert the sentence into passive voice, we will use was, were plus third form of the verb. Now if there is second form of the verb, then you will come to know that the sentence is in past indefinite tense. And if a sentence is negative sentence, then the formula will be did not plus first form of the verb. Be careful, with did we use first form of the verb, and when you convert this sentence into passive voice, the formula will be was, were plus third form of the verb. And if a sentence is interrogative sentence, then the formula will be did plus subject plus first form of the verb. And when we convert the sentence into passive voice, the formula will be was, were plus subject and third form of the verb. Means in passive voice, everywhere you have to use third form of the verb. Now look at the examples. If a sentence is assertive, the sentence in active voice, the servant swept the room. According to the formula C, second form of the verb is used here. Sweep, swept, swept. So it is the second form of sweep. And when you convert the sentence into passive voice, now the room will be the subject. Again the room is a singular, so you will use was here. And third form of sweep is again swept. Then join the sentence by, and the servant will become the object here. Look at another sentence in assertive. The teacher punished all the pupils, all the students, sorry. The teacher punished all the students. Now again here, from here you will come to know that the sentence is in past tense, because the verb is in second form. Punished is the second form of punish. And when you convert the sentence into passive voice, the sentence will be all the students will become here the subject. So you will start with all the students. Now here the students are in plural form. I told you that if there is plural noun, then you will use were. So with all the students we will use were here. All the students were, then again third form of the verb, punished by the teacher. The teacher will be at the end. Now look at negative sentence. The formula is did not plus first form of the verb. Sentences, we did not sing songs. Be careful, with did we will use first form of the verb. And when you convert the sentence into passive voice, what will be the answer? Songs will be the subject. Songs, here again it is plural. So with plural we will use were. Songs were. Then it is a negative sentence, so not. Then third form of the verb, V3, sing, sang, sung. Sung is the third form of sing, so you will use third form of sing here, sung. Then join the sentence by us. Look at another negative sentence. The hunter did not aim at the bird. Now again see, with did, first form of the verb is used, and when you convert into passive voice, the bird will be the subject here. The bird, again it is a singular, so you will use was with singular. The bird was not aimed. Third form of aim is aimed by the hunter. Now look at interrogative sentences. Did you take breakfast? Again be careful, with did first form of the verb will be used, and here the verb is take. So the sentence is, did you take breakfast? And when you convert into passive voice, the formula will be was, were plus subject plus third form of the verb. So you will start with was breakfast. Now how you used was, why not were? Because breakfast is singular. So you will start with was, breakfast, then third form of the verb, take, took, taken. Taken is the third form. Was breakfast taken by you? Another sentence, where did you find this pen? Now when you convert into passive voice, the answer will be, you will start with where only, where, and formula, look at the formula, was, were plus subject plus verb, third form. So where was this pen? Here pen is singular, so you will use was here. Where was this pen? Third form of the verb, verb is find and third form is found, joined by you. Who lent you this book? I told you earlier also, if a sentence starts with who, then in passive voice you will use by whom. So the answer will be, by whom were you lent? With you, you will use were. In the beginning I told you, with you we will use were. So here you will use were. The sentence will be, by whom were you lent? Third form is lent only. Lent this book. Look at another sentence. Why did you beat him? What is the verb here? Beat. And third form of beat is beaten. So when you convert the sentence, the answer will be, why was he? Now here you used was because he is singular. So why was he, then third form of the verb, beaten by you? Next sentence, did Anil tell the truth? Now when you convert the sentence, was the truth, third form of tell is told, was the truth told by Anil? Who taught you grammar? Again I told you that a sentence which starts with who in active voice is converted to passive voice by using by whom. So you will start with, by whom were you? Now why we used were here? Because with you we use were. By whom were you taught? Third form is again taught. First form is teach, taught and taught. So by whom were you taught grammar? Got it? An exercise, you have to solve it.